YouTube? Eric DIY with another great review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Ainope 10,000 milliamp hour LCD portable power bank. So I've been using this power bank for a couple weeks now. I wanted to really put through its paces, and I'm going to just go ahead and say this is the best power bank I've ever used. Not going to just hand that title off lightly. I have a ton of power banks. It's not just for the size. 10,000 milliamp hours though will charge my Google Pixel at least 2.5 to 3 times. So it's come in really handy for that. Also, if you just look at the size of it, it's the smallest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank I've ever seen, and I can also testify that it is 10,000 milliamp hours because I have charged my Google Pixel at least 3 times in one charge on this. What comes in the box is pretty simple. You got directions, you have an Ainope company card, you have the 10,000 milliamp power bank itself, and you have a micro USB cable to charge it with. Now what I really want to bring home with this 10,000 milliamp power bank is that look at the size of it in my hand. And my hand, you know, it's about normal size. I wouldn't say it's large, I wouldn't say it's small. It's about medium, but look at that. It fits in the palm of my hand basically. It's really, really small, and it packs a lot of power. It has a master on switch, 2 USB outs. They are 2.1 amps each, and you have a micro USB input to charge with. Also on the outside, if you push the power button or it's charging, it will show you with an LCD screen how much power you have left percentage wise out of 100. So that is an excellent thing, because I don't know how many times I've had a power bank that just had the lights and it said 2 lights left, and then within like 10 minutes it was dead. So this is an awesome feature to have. It has an auto off in 30 seconds, so this will turn off in 30 seconds if it's not charging. And it's built really rugged. I've kept this in my pocket. I've traveled with it several places. I've gone to museums with it. I've gone driving with it. I've done a lot of things with this. And it is the best power bank I've ever used. I'm not lying on that. If there are any other power banks that come in this size, I want to know, because I think I'm done buying bulky ones. Might not be quick charge compatible, but you're also getting 10,000 milliamp hours here. So I'm not really concerned about the speed of charging. Honestly, with the Google Pixel, it charges pretty fast. To go from 12% to full is about an hour and a half with this charger. So it's really good with the 2.1 amps still. Again, if you want a quick charge, this might not be the power bank for you. But honestly, with 10,000 milliamp hours and being able to charge this phone 3 times within an hour and a half, I don't think that's much time to wait. And that could also charge while you're using it too, by the way. It doesn't do what other phones I've done in the past, for me at least, which is, oh, I'm charging it, but I'm using it and it's going backwards in power still. So it is a really good power bank to have. It is the best power bank I've ever used. I think I've said that several times through this review just to really drive it home. It's small, it's portable, it fits in your pocket in the back. I actually kept it in my back pocket while walking and charging at the same time. I've charged my cameras with it. I've charged my phone while driving. I've charged all other devices while driving. I've also used it while walking. If I'm gonna do my walk before I go jogging and I need power on my phone to run the apps that I use, it fits right in my pocket, really small, no problem. I've also used it camping. It's very rugged. It might not be waterproof, but it can definitely take a couple dings here and there, because when I went camping with it, I did drop it once or twice. I do highly recommend the Ainope 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. If you'd like to purchase your Ainope 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're there, please push also on the bell notification icon so that way you can be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. Thank you and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.